This video is about this Yard Max snowblower. First and foremost, you want to make sure there's enough fuel in there. So I had to add some fuel. I don't want the snowblower to not start due to no fuel, or I don't want it to shut off while I'm testing it. So now what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you two different ways to start this particular snowblower. First, you want to make sure the choke is on start. Then you want to make sure the switch is on. And then there's a key over there, the plastic key, the red one right here. Make sure it's in. Then you want to go to the fuel valve. The fuel valve is located here on the other side of the Yard Max, and you want to make sure the fuel valve is in the on position. Then you push this primer 3 times to get the engine primed for startup. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the manual handle, manual crank, and to get the generator started. And you want to adjust the idle from start to run, and this way your snowblower will run more smoother. So what we have it here, as you see, there's no snow around me because I didn't turn it on to clean the snow or clear the snow. However, every 3 to 4 months, manufacturer recommends that you turn the snowblower on and see the operation, let the engine run for a few minutes. So what I did was I let the engine run until the engine got warm. So when I need it on a cold wintry day with a lot of snow, I'm expecting my snowblower to come right on. So I'm just going to shut it off. You see how nice and quiet it is. And it's a good habit to get into is to normalize everything, especially the fuel valve. You want to turn it off. So now I wanted to talk to you about how to turn it on electrically. It's very simple. This particular device is very interesting because it's not battery operated. It's not battery backed or anything like that. So you want to follow the same procedure as you did in the past. Turn the run on, make sure the fuel valve is on, and you have to prime it. When you have all these steps in place, then all you have to do is get an extension cord and connect it to this unit right here. And you see the red button right here. All you got to do is press it like you would with your car, and the engine starts right up. This feature is very important because snowblowers would have battery powered, which allows you to start anywhere. What happens if the battery is dead? Let's say on a winter day the battery is dead and you want to start, you can't. So that's why I like it here, because as long as I have electric power in my house, I would be able to start this without manual crank. That's why I like this so much, and I don't have to worry about the battery being charged or not. So I connect, and you saw how I did it, and it runs fine. Please subscribe to this channel and continue to share with your family and friends. This will allow me to make more videos to help other people. Thank you for watching the video throughout. So I wanted to show you a little bit of how this generator works. You have 6 different speeds going forward, and then you have a reverse, which allows you to go backward as you want it. And then on the left handle, you have the control of the blade. So now we're ready to shut off the snowblower and put it away for winter or a snow situation. So all you have to do is just press that button, start, and you normalize everything. I would like to put it to start so I don't forget when I start it. And most important, you want to turn off the fuel valve. You want to make sure the fuel valve is off. Now you could be sure that your snowblower will be ready when you need it.